Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Today is a pinata full of unknowns. Time to crack that sucker open and pounce directly on the good stuff. Guess I'll just chill. All blissed out and nowhere to go. Integrity. I won't change who I am for anyone's acceptance or validation. Staying true to myself means not trying to be someone else. I am beautiful just as I am. Embracing worthiness. I feel worthiness filling every cell of my body, and it feels amazing. You're the magic in the mundane. Keep adding your unique touch in everything. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do the blue one. The more assertive you become, the less resentful you will feel. Do you believe that to be true? If you argue for your misery, then the only thing you're going to get is your misery. Choose people you don't have to abandon yourself to be with. You are not your thoughts. Thoughts are just mental events that come and go. Try to be the type of person who crosses paths with another and makes their day a better one. And the last one today. The things that make us unique, attractive, and interesting and impactful are things that our soul tribe will love about us. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.